Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations and the 30 Days of Christmas Ornaments DIY. Well, I ordered some of these Arteza wood slices and there was 45 in the box, so I've got a lot of ornaments to make. I grabbed 4 out of there and I'm using some chalkboard paint. When I put on the chalkboard paint, I'll be doing something over the top of it, but you could leave it blank and also, just prime it and you write different messages on it that you want. I'm pretty impressed. They're pretty nice. They're fairly thick and they've got a nice amount of bark on them and they look really nice. And they didn't give them to me. I bought them on my own. I bought these other ones from another company and they are really small and thin and wasn't impressed with those. So anyway, after they dried, I proceed to decorate them. This is one of the plastic snowflakes from Dollar Tree. I do end up decorating them more with ribbons and things, but I didn't catch that on film. What I did was I took the bottom off of this little tree and I cut the back flat so it will lay flat on there. And I thought, oh, it needs something else to go with it. So some of the stickers that were from Dollar Tree, I'm just taking that little foam pad off the back. And I glue it on and glue the little tree on, and being mindful to where the hole is to hang them up. And I thought that looked pretty. You can see I've got ribbons in front of me, but I didn't end up using those. I used some slick puff paint. Guess I need to be more careful because it was a little jaggedy, but it looks nice, but it's a little jaggedy. So I'm just writing joy on it. It takes a while for this one to dry. And on this I'm using one of the markers that it's a white marker I got from Dollar Tree. I tried 2 different kinds. I tried the white marker from Dollar Tree and it's okay, but it's not very dark, so I ended up using the Sharpie oil. And I wrote hope on there. So here they are with the ribbons on them and the pip berries, and you can see I put a snowflake ribbon on the snowflake and some beads on the hope and the joy and some buffalo check ribbon. So I hope you enjoyed this. This one was fairly quick and easy, and they're fun. I'll make some more with a lot of different things, but there's so many things you could do with these little wood slices. You could even decorate both sides of them. So I do thank you for coming to visit, and for all my new subscribers, welcome. Trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. Hope we can make it. And always thanks for stopping by. You support me. But I do enjoy teaching. Bye for now.